Discover the dragon. The Feng Shui key. Heaven's dragon, Earth's dragon, and human's dragon. 3 realms align in one single trigram, revealing the balance where destiny began. This program brings Feng Shui's core, restoring the essence, pure and more. 8 directions, 8 trigrams align. Each trigram holds 3 realms divine: heaven, earth, and human combine. Modern home magnetic field interference may affect facing degrees. This program allows intuitive observation to see if the affected degrees belong to the same realm, enhancing consistency in your Feng Shui practice. Each trigram links to facing degrees defined, sitting and facing, 180 degrees aligned, sharing the dragon's attributes, refined. Measure your facing degree. Follow this program's step with ease. Step 1, Outdoor Analysis. Stand outdoors at the center of your main entrance and use a compass to measure the degree. Enter the degree into the My House coding program to check it against your property type. For outdoor analysis, stay at the main entrance and observe objects or features within the measured degree range. Step 2, Indoor Analysis. Move to the Taiji point, the center of your home, for indoor analysis. Use the compass to observe and analyze interior features within the measured range. Tailor your space with wisdom in place. Energy flows, a guiding way. Harmony starts with you today.